In this problem, you're asked how many grams of oxygen are in 3.2 moles of oxygen. So you're going from moles to grams. Now to do that, you're going to use the molar mass. So you have to look at the periodic table and figure out how many moles, or how many grams, are in 1 mole of oxygen. So I looked at oxygen. This number right here, the atomic weight, tells me how many grams are in 1 mole of oxygen. Now I'm going to round this to the nearest tenth, which would be 16.0. So in oxygen there's 16.0 grams per mole. Right, this is the molar mass. I'm going to use that to convert from moles to grams. So I'm going to start by what I'm given, which is 3.2 moles of oxygen. Put that over 1. I'm going to multiply by a conversion that lets me go from moles to grams. And that was the molar mass, which was 16 grams per mole. And so I should look at what units I want to cancel, which is moles of oxygen. So those will go on the bottom. And up top I'm going to have grams of oxygen. And I know that there's 16.0 grams in 1 mole of oxygen. That's what that molar mass told me. And so to figure this one out, I'm going to multiply across the top, multiply across the bottom. And when I do that, my moles of oxygen are going to cancel, and I'm going to be left with grams. So 3.2 times 16.0, I get 51.2 grams of oxygen on top, and on the bottom I get 1. So my answer here is just going to be 51.2 grams of oxygen. So that's how you convert from moles to grams.